Hey, welcome back for another video, guys. It's been a while. Today I'm just doing a update part 2 video to my NRC projects, 124 scale RC10. And I finally got all the parts and something else too. I got my motor, brushless motor, sensor motor, and ESC. Look how small they are, guys. That's on the tip of my fingers. That's how small these are. They designed a lot of these for the smaller scale, like X mods or mini Zs, all the Kyosho stuff. Or there's some custom small ones too. I mean, it's a pretty big market. I got my Spectrum receiver. I got the servo. You can see the number on there. These are the part numbers for my ESC and my motor, GL Racing. This is the kit, the standard kit, all the parts. And then today, I just got the gold pan conversion, the aluminum pan conversion. I already opened it up because I'm one-handed here. I don't know my tripod's at. There's the chassis. Looks pretty slick. Really good quality. Focus in on that. Not focusing great. Yeah, the front there. It says 24. Comes with new rear bulkhead and the front nose piece for mounting, and those aluminum sides to give it a pan look, because you know the original has a pan. And the only reason I'm doing the gold pan conversion is, for one, it's super cool. Two, this is the carbon fiber, so it's like the CE version. So there's the chassis carbon fiber. Let's see it in here. You see it on the last video. But I want to do a gold pan conversion. Who knows? Maybe I'll buy another one and do both. But that's an update to my NRC-24, and after receiving the gold aluminum chassis conversion kit today. So can't wait to get started on this build. I'm gonna record a lot of it. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification, guy. More videos coming. Thanks. Bye.